Hello, my friends. Hope you are waiting for the next short story. Today's short story is Where Are Your Classmates? A 60-year-old gentleman was suffering from deep depression, and his wife booked an appointment with a counselor. The wife said, "He is in severe depression. Please see to it." The counselor began his counseling by asking some personal things while the gentleman's wife sat outside. The gentleman spoke, and it went on this way: "I am too much worried. In fact, I am overwhelmed by worries. Family issues, job pressure, friends, children's education, and job tension, mortgage, loan, car loan, etc. I have lost interest in everything that I used to like. The world thinks of me as a canon. They think I have everything. But I don't have as much stuff as even cartridge. I am very depressed." Then the learned counselor asked him, "Which secondary school did you attend?" The gentleman told him the name of the school. The counselor said, "I want to advise you that you go to your school. When you get to the school, locate your class register. If it is still there, look up the names of your peers and try to get information about their current well-being. Write down all the information you get about them and meet me after a month." The gentleman went to his former school, found the register, and copied every name in it. There were 120 names in all. He tried day and night throughout 1 month, but was barely able to collect information on about 75 to 80 of his classmates. Surprise results: 20 of them were dead, 7 were widows or widowers, 13 were divorced, 10 turned out to be drug addicts, 5 came out so poor that nobody could even connect with them, 6 turned out to be so rich that he couldn't believe it. Some were cancerous, some were paralyzed, some were diabetic, asthmatic, heart disease patients. A couple of them were in bed with injuries to arm or leg or spinal cord. The children of some has turned out to be insane. One was in jail. One person, after 2 divorces, was seeking for a third marriage. The counselor asked, "Now tell me, how is your depression?" The gentleman understood that he had no disease. He was not starving. His mind was perfect. He was not unlucky. He was lucky that his wife and children were very good and healthy. He was also healthy. He could afford 3 meals a day. His challenges paled in significance to that of others. That gentleman realized that there is really a lot of sorrow in the world, and that he was very happy and lucky. Leave the habit of peeping into other people's plates. Take the food on your plate with love. Don't compare your life with others. Everyone is moving according to his or her destiny. You are neither late nor early. In everything, good or bad, great or small, give thanks to God." That's the end of the story. Hope you all will like this story. Thank you for listening to my stories.